Now, just for appearance, I'm not concerned if that, I already talked earlier that this be exactly, this is my main working surface. This is the area that I need as a flat reference. I'd like to keep that flat with it as well. But as it gets out here, I'm not terribly concerned. It looks kind of ratty. And if I can take this down enough that I can address this, I will. Otherwise, it'll stay like that. Remember, it's a workbench. It's not sitting in my living room. Maybe we should do the opposite side again. I can't talk and do this. So you're going to have to just watch and we'll save the commentary for the end. Keep those shavings from getting underneath the plane. Oh, just thought of something. Remind me to tell them about dressing the edges. A friend of mine in Florida, Jeff Metelsky, brought this up to me the other day. You'll notice that I've come in here for. I've got these edges rounded over. If you don't, and you're planing across the grain, you're going to get some bad tear out here. So if you're going to go across the grain like I am, you've got to either chamfer or put a round over, quarter round, on these opposite edges, so that you don't end up tearing those fibers. All right. This is close to being done. It's not worth it to me to get rid of all of that just to clean that up. But I do want to go another pass or two. If I can, I want to get that area cleaned up. But the rest of it is back to being, just to satisfy me. Okay? Which one was easier? This one was. Let's double check here to make sure I don't have to. Okay, that's still low out there, so I'm not going to worry about it. Wouldn't hurt to put some extra weight, some sandbags or something on the base when you're doing this so that it doesn't move around on you. Now, mark where I left off there. I'm going to go back and I kind of skipped over this. I think I was riding on some shavings. You guys aren't getting tired, are you?
No, we're fine. I'm pretty exhausted.
I bet you are.
Walking around this fence.
If you want to take over, just let me know. Has it been 30 minutes yet?
No, only 15. I think you got dust on the lens. There we go.
It's probably sweat. Okay. Seriously, how long have we been?
We're at 16, so we got.
Okay. I would normally take a little more time to do this. Okay, what do we think here? What I'm gonna do now is just go in and perfect the surface. I'm done with the, I think I'm done with the number 8. I'm going to grab that 6. A little easier to wield. And the blade is nice and sharp. Throat is closed down. So we'll see what we can do about cleaning up the surface. See this? See what happened right here? In the dog hole? See how that tore out? I don't like that. Okay, I've been hitting that a couple of times, so I better check and make sure that that's not, well, it's not high, but it's at the exact height, same height, so put it down here. Keep the back end of the plane over here so that I'm not having to balance. Ow. Move that blade out a little bit. This is ugly. It's a piece of ash, and the dirt over the years has gone down into the pores. It'd be pretty hard to get all the way down there to get rid of it, so you have to be satisfied with that. Now the grain runs the opposite direction, so blade's a little askew, and I think when I banged it over there. I'm just feeling for the overlap mark. Down here, I'm going to do the same thing on this tail vise.